Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, solved your Windows 11 version has reached end of service easy fix. Search Windows 11 download in browser search bar. Select Install Windows 11 and keep personal files and apps. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.